sir, for giving us this opportunity to conduct this huge event in this organization. I think in India this is the first time we have conducted such a wonderful event. I am sure it's going to be a huge success. Sir, I am assuring you on behalf of our team, they will do wonders. Whatever you say, whatever the task you give, I am telling you, not 1,000, even 5,000 also if you do, they will do it. With our team, Pankaj and all our HM team, with your blessings. I God bless you all. Thank you very much, Beta. Thank you very much for participating.